Hi, I'm Reg. Just sitting here making me some fire starters and how I did it. Saw some videos, decided to play around. I have here my melted wax. It was a candle. I have here my sawdust and some chips. And I have here the pans I'm going to make them in.
Can be helpful to the discussion in America. We can start looking at some
Here's what
prevailing issues. I think
the wax poured in the pans with the sawdust looks like. I'm going to add some more sawdust.
From the very start, it's been about whether or not Kyle defended himself, not all the other noise. Right? So I think we need to look back. How did all that noise come to be? Like, and
proliferation of guns, and there's a lot of different subjects, right, that this case brought out, to your point earlier, and it'll be interesting to see it. The bottom line is he's a free man tonight, and before we let you go, I'd like to get to Chandler. I know she's been discussing this and talking with you from the very beginning there. It involved this is that moment. We saw Kyle almost breaking down before the verdict was read. Leading up to 10, 15 minutes ago, this could go on the other way very easily. What was the impression from the defense team coming into today after all of this? Was there a sense of optimism? Was there a sense of, oh boy, we're in trouble?
No, we believe that the truth came out and the jury saw that. So I was asked several times, it's gone to 2 to 3 days now, and my position has always been that this jury was being very cerebral about this decision. I mean, this decision, it was a major one. In a major case, one of national significance, probably one of the most consequential cases, of maybe 3 decades. I mean, this was a serious case.
Okay, now my wax fire starter cakes are now solidified. Take them here. Spread them out. Put them on that board there. And there we go. Got a nice little cake there. I reuse that pan. They almost look like brownies. Okay, I'm going to take my grinder or a knife and cut me some pieces. I'll be back. As you see, took my grinder, a little diamond wheel to add on there, and I scored the back of the brownie cake, Firestarter brownie cake, we'll call it, and snapped them into little brownies, and they're ready to burn. My sawdust had wood chips left over from the wood, like my regular lumber that I have stockpiled, and all the little shavings that fall off. I combine them with sawdust and all that wood, and that's what we have. Okay. Hi, I'm Reg, which I introduced myself before. I'm going to start a fire in our Regency i2450 wood insert using the little fire starters that I made. They look like little brownies. First thing to do, open up the damper all the way there. Like these puppies. Already stacked stuff with the kindling already, just to speed things up. Okay, I got my brownies lit. Shut the door, leaving it cracked. Which will get that flame going. And make sure you can see that. I like to move my brownies, adjust my brownies a little bit. There we go. You see when that draft hits, starts getting everything whipped up.